Hi friends, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to shoot a quick video for you and let you know to please open up the ebook that is attached to this email. It's going to give you a roadmap on how you can automate your social media, partner with Just Add Me, and we can make your life a whole lot easier. Everyone's always trying to save time and money, and we have a system that will really allow you to be what we call omnipresent and tackle all of the different platforms with a few simple steps. So if you're interested in learning more about that, download the ebook, schedule a meeting with us, and we look forward to really walking you through this system. We also just opened up an office in downtown Long Beach. If you didn't get a chance to see the video we sent out, go to our YouTube channel. You can see a little tour of our office, but we're so excited to be here and partnered up with Work Evolution Laboratories. There's so many businesses within this building, and we love being in downtown Long Beach. So again, I just wanted to shoot this video for you. Hope you're well. Check out the ebook and give me a text. Call me 323-888-0594 and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.